Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the wallet and tapping your Apple Cash card. This takes you straight to verification. Next, tap Verify Identity and have your government photo ID and the last 4 digits of your SSN ready. Make sure your device is on the latest iOS and enable Face ID or Touch ID for smoother capture. Use steady hands and bright, even lighting so the camera can read the ID. Once done, confirm your name and birth date exactly as shown on the ID. You now photograph the front and back of your ID, following on-screen guides to align edges and avoid glare. If the app's OCR fails, manually type the fields, spell names exactly and check numbers. Typos cause delays. After photos, you'll take a live selfie so Apple can match you to the ID, allow camera permissions, and follow head turn prompts. Once captured, review everything carefully before submitting. Submissions with clear images and exact detail. You finish by submitting and waiting for confirmation. Some verifications are instant, others take up to 1 or 2 days. If Apple returns a rejection, read the reason, then retake photos or correct data and resubmit. Sharper, glare-free images usually fix common issues. If verification repeatedly fails, contact Apple support and provide screenshots, the exact rejection message, and your ID ready for guidance. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot the device and retry with a different Wi-Fi network to rule out
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.